Curious about the warning indicators on your Tata Tigor EV cluster display? How does the cluster display provide crucial driving information? In this guide, we'll explore the symbols and alerts to ensure a safe and informed drive. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Airbag status, turn signal indicator, ABS warning light, charging indicator, battery charging, AC on off, headlight high beam indicator, immobilizer indicator, motor high temperature telltale, limp home mode telltale, driver seat belt indicator, park brake indicator, front passenger seat belt, charger connected, zero charge, battery high temperature telltale, key not detected, speed limit warning indicator, daytime running lamps DRL, electric power assisted steering, press clutch pedal to start engine. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol, stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.